Most people dream of success, but only a few dare to wake up and chase it. The truth is simple. Discipline is the bridge between who you are and who you want to become. Motivation is powerful, but fragile. It fades when life gets hard. Discipline stays when motivation dies. Discipline doesn't ask if you feel like it. It demands action, even when your heart wants to quit. The Stoic philosophers knew this well. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Discipline is not about controlling the world. It's about mastering yourself. Every day, you face battles. The bed calling you back to sleep, the comfort of doing nothing, the voice that whispers, "Tomorrow." Discipline is the weapon you use to silence that voice. Each small act of consistency builds the future you desire. Discipline reshapes you. It's not about punishment, but freedom. Freedom from laziness. Freedom from regret. With discipline, you earn confidence. You earn respect. Most importantly, you earn peace. Your journey won't be easy. There will be pain. There will be doubt. But every step of discipline carries you closer to greatness. Don't wait for the perfect day. Don't wait for someone to push you. Start today. Start now. Discipline is not a choice anymore. It's survival. And if you embrace it, you will become unstoppable.